got 2017 S63 Coupe. The thing is sweet. Two-door spaceship, guys. They usually come in four-door sedans. This one's a coupe. It's right there on the lift. Got the S63 with the quad tips on there. My guys are dropping the system right now. We're taking that stock shit off, and we're slapping a G/G exhaust system on there. You guys should see the full stainless steel. Got the rear equalization. Kind of looks like a high-end sports car system, but it ain't. It's for a S63 Coupe. Got the two rear mufflers in the back. Got the factory stock valve control, so we don't have to do any stupid wiring for, you know, any of these dumbass valves with the remote control. We got the stock valves popping right on there. It's in a control with the stock button that you have inside, which is awesome. Most customers want factory control, so we bypass that stupid remote that everybody hates. No extra wiring involved. We just slap the system on there, put the stock valves on there, and everything works. Continues a full stainless steel, all 3-inch, all the way through, except for the two elbows off the tip exits, and then some bullet resonators up front to smoothen out the tone a little bit. This thing does have downpipes, so this thing's gonna sound insane, guys. Like I said, full stainless steel, all 3-inch. Got this crazy setup for a rear muffler in the back, X pipe equalized in the back, the two bullet mufflers, and then, like I said, factory valve control. This thing's gonna be pretty sweet. I'm gonna show you guys the stock system right now and show you how this one is better. So we got the S63 on the lift. You guys can see the rear spaceship style muffler. The thing's garbage, super restrictive, not really doing much for sound. So we're getting rid of it. We're slapping our wicked X pipe cap back on there. So all this is gonna be gone. All these piping is gonna be gone. It does come with factory resonators. We're getting rid of these, putting our bullet style resonators. And then from here back, basically a full cap back. Like I said, car does come with downpipes. So this thing is gonna rip, guys. We're gonna put the system on there. Like I said, factory valve control, no extra wiring necessary. Plug and play, guys. So if you're looking for a system like this, you got an S63 two-door coupe, whatever you got, 4-door even. We're doing those, and if you have any questions, just hit us up, guys. We got you. We got the system all fitted up. Looks sick, fits like a glove. You guys can see the factory fitment. Looks awesome. Got the X pipe in the middle, two bullet mufflers in the back. Got the valve control tucked up real nice. Everything fits on there real clean. We got some high-end systems available for these cars. AMGs, M cars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens, you name it. We got systems available for every single car out there. You guys can see the quality. Full stainless steel all the way through. Clearance everywhere. Fits just like the factory system. Direct bolt on. And let's crank this thing. Let's hear what this thing sounds like, man. Not bad. Hell yeah. It sounds sweet. Yeah, so this thing sounds pretty damn awesome. No interior cabin noise. Let's take off on this thing. Hell yeah. Fucking Amazon. Let me put this thing in comfort. Damn, super chill. Yeah, man, just like factory. That's what you get when you buy a G exhaust system. You get factory valve control. You get all the aggression out the back. No interior cabin noise. Zero drone, guys. Thing's pretty pimp.